How to fix billing unavailable on Google Play Store. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix the billing unavailable problem on Google Play Store. First thing you do is go ahead and open up Play Store on your device. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. And from this pop-up, you can find payments and subscription over here. Just tap on it. Then you need to go over to payment methods. It will show you your connected card and its details if you tap on it. So if you have something called unavailable shown right below your card information, then there are some things that you can fix. First thing first, you need to make sure that your Google Play Store is up to date. You can do that by going over to the profile at the top right. And then from here, go to settings. Now go to About section and tap on the drop down. And then as you can see, you have this option called Update Play Store. It will show you the version, and if you just tap on it, it will check for any available updates. And if it's up to date, it will show you this pop-up message. And if not, it will automatically update Google Play Store for you. Once that is done, you need to go back, long press on Play Store, and then tap on the I button over here. Then what you can do next is go over to Permission. Make sure all of these permissions are allowed, including your location, contact, and microphone. Go back and then go to Storage, tap on it, and then you can tap on Clear Cache first at the bottom. And then if you want, you can also tap on Clear Data. Now what it does is it will log you out of Google Play Store, so you're going to have to log back in again. And the final step, if none of this works, is go to Play Store, then go over to your billing information again. And then you need to go ahead and remove your payment method, and then you can add it back again and it will completely fix it. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.